Walking through your living room shouldn't feel like navigating a high stakes obstacle course of plastic toys that only last for a single month. Most of us have been there. We buy a specialized gadget. The kid uses it for 3 weeks, and then it sits in the corner gathering dust while we wonder where our floor space went. This is exactly why a multi stage tool like the BabyJoy 4-in-1 walker stands out from the crowd. It is designed to be a long term player in your home. It shifts from a traditional walker to a push walker. Then it becomes an activity center. It even works as a seated rocker. That kind of versatility is rare in a world where everything feels disposable. When you pull it out of the box, the first thing you notice is the stability. A flimsy walker is a parent's nightmare. You want something that feels anchored. This base is wide and sturdy. The wheels glide across the floor with a smooth motion that doesn't feel jerky or cheap. They turn well on most indoor surfaces, which is a huge relief. You won't find yourself constantly helping a stuck baby every 5 seconds. Let's talk about the toys. We all know the pain of electronic toys that scream at a volume level meant for a stadium. This activity tray is actually reasonable. The sounds and buttons are engaging, but they won't drive you to the brink of a headache during a long afternoon. The seat is another win. It is padded and soft. Most importantly, it is washable. Babies are professional mess makers. Being able to snap that cover off and toss it in the laundry is a massive time saver. You also get height adjustment that actually works. You can set it to the perfect level as those little legs grow longer. This means the walker stays useful for months instead of weeks. Now, the assembly can be a bit of a puzzle. The instructions aren't always crystal clear, but the actual construction is solid once it is finished. You want to start by spreading all your parts out on the floor. Get your bearings. Check for the base frame, the wheels, the seat, and that activity tray. Always make sure every screw is accounted for before you begin. First, you take those wheels and snap them into the base. You should hear a distinct click. Give each wheel a spin to make sure they move freely. Next, you connect the upper frame to the base. Line up the locking slots perfectly. Press down with some real force until it locks in. If your specific model has height settings, make sure it is clicked into a safe notch. Installing the seat cushion is the next step. Slide it into that circular opening. Pull the fabric tight. You want it to be secure, so there is no risk of slipping. Then you align the toy tray and snap it onto the front. Give it a little tug to make sure it is not going to pop off. If you have the version with the push handle, slide that into the rear slots until it is firm. Before you put a child inside, do a safety check. Press down on all the joints. Shake the frame. If it feels rock solid, you are ready to go. This isn't just a walker. It is a tool that grows with your family. It saves space. It saves money. It keeps the little one safe while giving you a much-needed break. It's a rare find that actually delivers on its promises and stays relevant as your child hits those big milestones.